Hello students and good morning. So today I am doing class for class 11 science. The topic is transformation of products and sums. And in the last online class also we were doing the same topic, and this is your continuation class. And in the last online class we did question number 4 from the same exercise 5, page number 149. Each question carries 4 marks from the book Higher Mathematics for class 12 by SMD. So today we shall start question number 5. Each question carries 4 marks. You have to prove that. So question number 1 is cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree is equal to 1 upon 8. You have to prove that this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So let us write down LHS is equal to cos 20 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree, right? So in this case we have to use the formula from transformation of products and sums. So this is the product given, that is you can use the formula of cos A cos B. Before that we need 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B. In this case cos 20, cos 40, cos 80, these are given. You have to use the formula of 2 cos A cos B. This product should be converted into sum or difference, right? So what is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? It is cos of A plus B plus cos of, this is your A minus B. So greater angle you usually take it as A and small angle as B. So let us take the first two terms, cos 20 and cos 40. Let us use the formula for cos 20 and cos 40. So 40 is greater than 20. So 40 is taken as A and this 20 is taken as B. And we need 2 here. So half. So within bracket we have 2 cos 40 degree into cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree is outside bracket, right? So now this 40 is taken as A. Always take the greater angle as A and smaller angle as B, such that A is equal to 40 degree and B is equal to 20 degree. So which is equal to half within second bracket. Use that formula here. This is cos of what is A plus B. This is 40 degree plus 20 degree plus cos of what is A minus B. This is 40 degree minus 20 degree. Second bracket is closed. That is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B into, now this is cos 80 degree, right? So which is equal to half within bracket 40 plus 20 is 60 degree plus cos 40 minus 20 is 20 degree. Bracket closed into cos 80 degrees. So now what will you do in the next step? So since 60 degree is the standard angle, you know the value of cos 60, which is half, which is equal to half within bracket, this is half plus cos 20 degree, bracket closed, into cos 80 degree, right? So let us simplify it. So let us multiply them. Half into half is 1/4. Then we can use cos 80 degree plus then half. Let us write cos 80 degree first. Then let us write cos 20 degree. Is that clear? Now again this is cos A cos B. 80 is taken as A and 20 is taken as B. Greater angle as A and smaller angle as B. So this is your cos A cos B. So what do we need out here? We need 2 here also. So we have to multiply and divide by 2. So this again becomes 1/4 into 2 is equal to 1/4 cos 80 degree plus 1/4 within bracket, this is 2 cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So now let us use the formula for this case. 2 cos 80 cos 20 is equal to, now it is 1/4 cos 80 degree, 1/4 cos 80 degree plus 1/4. Now within second bracket, again use the same formula in this case. 2 cos A cos B. So it is cos of A plus B 80 plus 20 plus cos of A minus B, 80 minus 20 degree, right? Here A is 80 and B is 20. Is that clear? So which is equal to 1/4 cos 80 degree plus 1/4. So let us simplify it. Now this is cos 100 degree. Cos 100 degree plus cos 80 minus 20 is 60 degree, which is equal to 1/4 cos 80 degree plus, let us multiply it, 1/4 cos 100 degree plus 1/4 into, you know the value for cos 60 degree, which is half. So again, in this case, there is common from the first two terms. So what is common out here? 1/4 is common here. So within bracket cos 100 degree plus cos 80 degree bracket close plus 1/8. So which is equal to 1/4 into, now this is cos C plus cos D. So now we can use the formula of cos C plus cos D. You know that, isn't it? So what is cos C plus cos D? You know this formula. So what is the formula? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So let us use the formula. Again, C is taken as 100 degree and D is taken as 80 degree. So what is the formula? 2 cos within bracket C is 100 plus D is 80 degree divided by 2 cos C minus D 100 degree minus 80 degree divided by 2, then plus 1/8. So I think you have understood it. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is half cos, let us simplify it, 100 plus 80, 180 by 2 is 90 degree. This is your 90 degree. Cos 100 minus 80, 20 by 2 is 10 degree plus 1/8. And you know that cos 90 is standard angle. What is the value for cos 90? It is 0. Half into 0 into cos 10 degree plus 1/8. So 0 Indian number is always 0. 0 plus 1/8, which is equal to 1/8. That is proved. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to 1/8. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next problem. So now let's do this question number 3. These number 5, number 2 and number 4 are your homework. You can do it. You have to prove number 2, 8 sin 20 sin 40 sin 80 is equal to √3. So here also you can use the formula of 2 sin A sin B. So we can take that 2 from 4. Okay, so you can do it. And this also cos 40 cos 100 cos 160 degree is equal to 1/8. You can use the same method as we have done in previous problem. Okay, so let's do this question number 3 out here. You have to prove that tan 20, tan 40, tan 80 is equal to √3. So let us prove it. So here LHS is equal to tan 20, tan 40 and tan 80 degree, right? So in this case, you have to convert this tan into sin and cos. And you know the formula of tan. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So we can write here, in the numerator you can write sin 20, sin 40, sin 80 degree. And you know that sin divided by cos is tan. So sin 20 by cos 20, sin 40 by cos 40 and sin 80 by cos 80 is tan 80, right? So let us take the two terms together. Here also you can use 2 sin A sin B as well as 2 cos A cos B. Okay, so let us use 40 and 20 first. You can take any two of these three terms. You may take 20 40, you may take 40 80, you may take 20 and 80 also. So let us take the first two terms, and we need 2 here. You know the formula of 2 sin A sin B, isn't it? 2 sin A sin B and 2 cos A cos B. Again we'll write here 2 sin A sin B is equal to, what is the formula? Cos of A minus B. This is cos of This is your cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, right? 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. And then you can use the formula of 2 cos a cos b in the denominator, that is cos of a plus b, then plus cos of a minus b, right? So let us use the formula out here, because but in this case we need 2 in both the numerator and the denominator. Let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So it is 2 sine 40 degree sine 20 degree bracket closed into sine 80 degree divided by 2 cos 40 degree into cos 20 degree bracket closed into cos 80 degree. Okay, so I think you have understood it. Okay, so now use the formula. Now 2 sin a sin b, what is the formula? Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Here a is taken as greater angle, that is 40 degree, and b is 20. So which is equal to cos of a minus b, 40 minus 20, minus cos of a plus b, that is 40 plus 20 degree, second bracket close, into sine 80 degree. So whole divided by, in the denominator also, this is 2 cos a cos b. What is the formula? Cos of a plus b. This is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 40 minus 20. Then outside bracket there is cos 80 degree. Is that clear? So let us simplify it now. So numerator will be cos 40 minus 20 is 20. Cos 40 minus 20 is 20 degree minus cos 60 degree minus cos 60 degree into, there is sine 80 degree. So there is sine 80 degree whole divided by, in the denominator also we have cos 60 degree. This is your cos 60 degree plus cos of, what is a minus b? 40 minus 20 is 20. Cos 20 degree. This is cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Okay. So now you know that this 60 degree is the standard angle, and you should know the value for cos 60 degree, which is half. So which is equal to, this is cos 20 degree minus half into sine 80 degree divided by, in the denominator, cos 60 is half plus cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. So let us simplify it. Let us take the LCM. What's the LCM in the numerator? 2. In the denominator also LCM is 2. These 2 and 2 LCM will be cancelled. So you will get 2 cos 20 degree minus 1 into sine 80 degree. So whole divided by, in the denominator also 2 is the LCM. 2 gets cancels. So it is 1 plus 2 cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Clear now? So let us simplify it, which is equal to, next, now multiply them. 2 sine 80 degree is written first, greater angle is written first, then cos 20 degree minus, then it is sine 80 degree. This whole divided by, in the denominator 1 into cos 80 is cos 80 degree plus 2 cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree. Is that clear? So next, use the formula of 2 sin a cos b now. In this case 2 cos a cos b, you can use the same formula, 2 cos a cos b. But here it is 2 sin a cos b. This is sin and this is cos. Greater angle take it as a and small angle take it as b. So it is 2 sin a cos b. So what is the formula for 2 sin a cos b? What is the formula for 2 sin a cos b? It is sine of a plus b. It is sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So this is the formula that you can use here. So which is equal to, now 2 sin a cos b, a is 80 and b is 20, right? So what is the formula? That is sine of a plus b, 80 plus 20 degree plus sine of 80 minus 20. minus sine 80 degree. This whole divided by, in the denominator you can write down here cos 80 degree plus, what is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? 80 is A and 20 is B. So it is 2 cos A cos B. You can use the formula 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, plus cos of A plus B, 80 plus 20 plus cos of A minus B, 80 minus 20. So next, which is equal to sine 80 plus 20 is 100 degree, plus sine 80 minus 20 is sine 60 degree. Then comes minus sine 80 degree. Minus sine 80 degree. Whole divided by, so in the denominator it is cos 80 degree. Cos 80 degree plus cos 100 degree plus cos 100 degree plus cos 80 minus 20 is cos 60 degree. So now in this case sine 60 degree and cos 60 degree, these are standard angles. So you can use the value for sine 60 as well as cos 60. And now what will you do with this 100 degree? There is 80 degree. This 100 degree you can use sine C minus sine D for this one, and this is cos C plus cos D. Or you may use different methods. That is 100 degree can be written in terms of 80 degree. That is, this 100 degree can be written as 180 minus 80. This is 180 degree minus 80 degree is 100 degree, isn't it? Then plus sine 60 degree is, you know that this is root 3 by 2 minus sine 80 degree whole divided by, in the denominator also you can keep cos 80 degree as it is, plus cos, how will you write down this 100 degree? 180 degree minus 80 degree is 100 degree. And then plus, what is the value for cos 60 degree? That is your half. Okay. So next, what is the formula for sine 180 minus theta? You have done it in trigonometrical ratios of associated angles. What is sine 180 minus theta? Sine theta, that is your sine 80 degree plus root 3 by 2 minus sine 80 degree. So this whole divided by, this is your cos 80 degree. Now what is cos 180 minus theta? 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is always minus. And since 180 is equal to 90, so cos remains as it is. So it is cos 80 degree plus half. Right? So here the sine 80 gets cancels, cos 80 gets cancels, which is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by half. Here 2 gets cancels, which is equal to root over 3. That is proved. So this question is very, very important. You can mark it. Okay. You may get this type of question in your promotion examination. Right. So this question is very, very important. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So these two are your homework, number 2 and number 4. Now we are doing the next question, that is question number 6. Here also you have to prove that. You have to prove number 1, cos theta cos of 60 minus theta cos of 60 plus theta is equal to 1/4 cos 3 theta. So let us prove LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So LHS is equal to cos theta cos 60 degree minus theta into cos 60 degree plus theta. Now in this case we can use a formula here. So these are the product. So you can use the formula of 2 cos A cos B. So let us use the formula for the second and the third cos. 60 degree plus theta is greater than 60 minus theta. So let us take this 60 plus theta as A and 60 minus theta as B. So this is cos A cos B. So we need 2 out here. So let us multiply and divide it by 2 because there is no 2 out here. So you have to multiply and divide it by 2. So is equal to half. This is cos theta within second bracket 2 cos. So let us write down 60 degree plus theta first because this is greater than 60 minus theta. And we will take it as A. And then it is cos 60 degree minus theta. Okay. So which is equal to half cos theta within second bracket. Now you know the formula of 2 cos A cos B. Again let us write it. So 2 cos A cos B. Now what is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? The formula for 2 cos A cos B is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Is that clear? So now here A is taken as 60 plus theta, which is greater than 60 minus theta. So here A is 60 plus theta and B is 60 minus theta. So let us use the formula cos of what is A plus B? A is 60 plus theta plus what is B? 60 minus theta. That is your cos of A plus B plus cos of what is A minus B? 60 plus theta minus 60 degree minus into minus plus theta. Second bracket is closed. So here this theta gets cancels and here 60 degree gets cancels, which is equal to half cos theta. Now within second bracket we have cos, this is your 120 degree, right? Then plus, how much is that? Cos theta plus theta is twice theta. Second bracket is closed. So now here cos 120 degree is the standard angle. You can easily find out the value for cos 120 degree, right? So how can you find out the value for cos 120 degree? So this is the standard angle. It can be written as cos 180 minus 60 degree. Okay. So cos 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is always minus. And 180 is 90 into 2 even multiple of 90. So cos remains same. So it does not change. So it is minus cos 60 degree, which is equal to minus half. Right. So which is equal to half cos theta. Then within second bracket, what is the value for cos 120 minus half? Right. Then plus cos 2 theta. Second bracket is closed. Now multiply it. So half cos theta into minus half is minus 1/4 cos theta plus this is half cos 2 theta into cos theta. So I think you have understood it. So now again for this cos 2 theta and cos theta, which is the greater angle? 2 theta is greater than theta. So we can use the formula of cos A cos B, that is 2 cos A cos B. Here also we need 2 cos A cos B. So how can I write down that 2 here? So again it is multiplied and divided by 2. That is 1/4 into 2. So which is equal to, now it is minus 1/4 cos theta minus 1/4 cos theta. Okay. Then plus multiply and divide by 2, we get plus 1/4. And within bracket we can multiply it by 2. 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. 2 cos 2 theta then cos theta, which is equal to minus 1/4 cos theta plus 1/4 within second bracket. Again you can use the same formula here, 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So it is cos of A plus B 2 theta plus theta, right? Then plus cos of A minus B. What is cos A minus B? 2 theta minus theta. Second bracket is closed. So which is equal to minus 1/4 cos theta plus, let us multiply them, 1/4 into cos 2 theta plus theta 3 theta plus 1/4 cos 2 theta minus theta is theta. So here you can cancel these two, which is equal to 1/4 cos 3 theta. So it is done, proved. So is that clear? So we have done it. So this is the method. Okay. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now this 6 number 2 is your homework. You can do it at home. So this pi by 3, that means 180 by 3 is 60 degree. You can change it into sexagesimal system or in terms of degrees. Then you can easily do this problem as we have done in question number 1. So let's do this question number 3. You have to prove that cos alpha cos 120 plus alpha cos 240 plus alpha is equal to, you have to prove 1/4 cos 3 alpha. Okay. Excuse me. So number 3. Let us prove number 3 now. So in number 3 you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, right? So let us write down the left hand side. So here LHS is equal to cos alpha cos 120 plus alpha, then cos 240 degree plus alpha. So now in this case also this is the product of 3 cos. So here also we can use the same formula, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula, which is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, right? So we can use this formula. So now in this case, for which expression will you use 2 cos A cos B? For the last 2 terms, that is cos 120 plus alpha and cos 240 plus alpha, we can use 2 cos A cos B. Here the greater angle is A and the smaller angle is B. So this 240 plus alpha is taken as A and 120 plus alpha is taken as B. So we should write here 2, half into 2, because there is no 2 out here. So let us write half first, then cos alpha within second bracket. Let us write down 2 here. Cos of, which is the greater angle, 240 degree plus alpha into cos 120 degree plus alpha. Second bracket is closed. Is equal to half cos alpha within second bracket. Now this is 2 cos A cos B. Greater angle is taken as A and smaller angle as B. So let us use the formula, cos of A plus B. Cos of what is A plus B? 240 plus alpha plus what is B? 120 plus alpha. That is your cos of A plus B. Then plus cos of what is A minus B? 240 plus alpha minus 120 minus into plus minus alpha. Second bracket is closed. So here you can cancel this alpha, which is equal to half cos alpha within second bracket. Cos, how much is it? 240 plus 120, 360 plus alpha is 2 alpha, plus cos of 240 minus 120 is 120 degree. So I think I've understood it, and alpha gets cancels. So which is equal to half cos alpha. Now within second bracket, what is the formula that you can use here? This is cos 360 plus theta. So it lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, cos is always positive. And since 360 is 90 into 4, that is even multiple of 90. So cos remains same. That is cos 2 alpha. And what is the value for cos 120? How can you find it? Cos 120. So which is equal to cos, this is your 180 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to minus cos 60 degree, which is equal to minus half. Okay, so here you can write minus half. Second bracket is closed. So now let us multiply them. This is half cos 2 alpha minus half into half, 1/4, then cos alpha, right? So next, what will you do in the next step? So again, this is cos A cos B. We can use the same formula, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A plus B plus cos, sorry, this is plus cos of A minus B, right? 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. It should be plus in between these two cos. That is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. So next, which is equal to, now we need 2 here again, 2 cos A cos B. So multiply and divide by 2. So it is 1/4, and within bracket 2 cos 2 alpha and cos alpha, 2 cos 2 alpha cos alpha minus 1/4 cos alpha. Minus 1/4 cos alpha, which is equal to 1/4. Now within second bracket cos of A plus B, 2 alpha plus cos of A minus B, 2 alpha minus alpha. Second bracket is closed, minus 1/4 cos alpha, right? So which is equal to 1/4 within bracket, this is your cos 3 alpha plus cos alpha minus 1/4 cos alpha. So let us simplify it. Multiplied by 1/4, 1/4 cos 3 alpha plus 1/4 cos alpha minus 1/4 cos alpha. So you can cancel it. 1/4 cos alpha, 1/4 cos alpha gets cancels. So which is equal to 1/4 cos 3 alpha. So this is the answer. Proved. So we have proved that this left hand side is equal to 1/4 cos 3 alpha. So we have done it. Okay. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next problem. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 7. You have to find the value of, you have to find out the value of this given expression. So number 1 here is sine 78 degree minus sine 18 degree plus sine 30 degree minus sine 42 degree. So here all the angles are not your standard angles except sine 30 degree. Okay. Let us keep this sine 30 degree as it is, because we know the value of a sine 30 degree, which is half. Okay. So we can use the formula here, sine C minus sine D. What is the formula for sine C minus sine D? The greater angle is taken as C and the small angle is taken as D. What is the formula to sine C minus sine D? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into sine of C minus D by 2. So you should know this formula. Sine C minus sine D, if there is minus sign, you should write down cos first. 2 cos C plus D by 2, sine C minus D by 2, right? So which is equal to 2 cos of C plus D. C plus D by 2 into sine of C minus D by 2. That is 78 minus 18 degree divided by 2. That is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. Sine 30 degree, keep it as it is. Then minus sine 42 degree. Is that clear? So let us simplify it. So 2 cos, what is 78 plus 18? 96, isn't it? 8 plus 8 is 16, 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. 96 divided by 2 is 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 96 divided by 2 is 2 4s are 8, and then 16 2 8s are 16, 48 degree. Then it is sine, what is 78 minus 18? 60 by 2 is 30 degree. Plus sine 30 degree minus sine 42 degree, right? So which is equal to 2 cos 48 degrees kept as it is. Now let us use the formula sine 30, which is half plus this sine 30 degrees kept as it is minus sine 42 degree. Okay. So here 2 gets cancels, which is equal to, this is your cos 48 degree plus sine 30 degree minus sine 42 degree. So I think you have understood it. So now this 48 and 42, these are not your standard angles, but we know that this 48 plus 42 is 90 degree. These are complementary angles. If the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, then these two angles are known as complementary angles. You know that, isn't it? So either you can convert this 48 into 42 degree or 42 degree into 48 degree. So you have to convert only one angle. Okay, let us convert this 48 in terms of 42. So this is cos 90 degree minus 42. And you know that 90 degree minus 42 degree is 48. Plus you can use the formula sine 30, which is half minus sine 42 degrees kept as it is. Okay. So which is equal to, what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, that is your sine 42 degree, you know this formula, plus half minus sine 42 degree. Is that clear? So you can cancel these two, which is equal to half. So this is the final answer. So I think you have understood it. So what is the value of the given expression? The value of the given expression is half. That is your final answer. So now let's do this question number 2, 7 number 2. Let's do this one. So here 7 number 2 is sec 20, sec 40, sec 80. Sec 20, this is your sec 20, sec 40, sec 80 degree, right? So you have to find out the value of this expression. That is your question number 2. Sec 20 degree, sec 40 degree, sec 80 degree. So how can you evaluate the value of this given expression? So it is given in terms of sec, but sec can be changed into cos, so that we can use the formula from transformation of products and sums. So let us convert them into cos. So it is, you know that sec 20 is 1 by cos 20, it is cos 20, 1 by cos 40, it is 1 by cos 80 degree. Okay. So now in this case, this is the product. You have to convert this product into sum or difference, and you can use the formula of 2 cos A cos B. For the first 2 cos, we can use 2 cos A cos B formula. So you know this formula, 2 cos A cos B, isn't it? So 2 cos A cos B, right? So which is equal to, this is cos of A plus B, plus this is cos of A minus B. But we need 2 out here. So let us take the first 2 cos. Let us take cos 40 and cos 20. Since 40 is more than 20 degree, we can take this 40 as A and 20 as B. And we need 2 here. So let us multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So which is equal to 2 divided by, what do we write? It is 2 cos 40 degree cos 20 degree. Then we can write cos 80 degree. Is that clear? So let us use the formula now, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Cos of A plus B. Now directly you can write 40 plus 20 is 60, plus cos of A minus B. 40 minus 20 is 20 degree, because you know the formula. Directly you can write down this one, and then this is cos 80 degree. Is that clear? So which is equal to, this is 2 upon, in the next step let us put the value for cos 60, it is half, plus cos 20 degree bracket closed into cos 80 degree. So in the denominator, what's the LCM? 2 is the LCM, right? So 2, here the LCM is 2 again. 1 plus 2 cos 20 degree bracket close into cos 80 degree. Is that clear? So this 2 goes up in the numerator. So which is your 2 2s are 4. 4 divided by, we can multiply them, 1 into cos 80 degree plus 2 cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree. We are just multiplying it. Okay. So in this case also we can use the same formula, 2 cos A cos B. 80 is taken as A, greater angle 80 is taken as A, and small angle 20 as B. So which is equal to, now next step, 4 divided by cos 80 is kept as it is, plus, now we can use 2 cos A cos B. Cos of A plus B, that is, what is A plus B? 100, you know that. 80 plus 20 is 100. Plus cos of A minus B, 80 minus 20 is 60, plus cos 60 degree. I hope you have understood it. So let us simplify it, which is equal to 4 divided by, we can easily simplify it, cos 80 degrees is kept as it is. This 100 degree can be written in terms of 80 degree as 180 minus 80 degree, because you know 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. So we can use the formula of cos 180 minus theta. Then plus, what is the value for cos 60 degree? It is half, which is equal to 4 divided by. So cos 80 degree is kept as it is. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. You know this formula. I don't have to tell you this formula because you know it, right? Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta plus half. And this gets cancels. 4 divided by half is equal to 4 to the 8. So this is the final answer for this question number 2. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 7 number 4. Before that, 7 number 3 is your homework. You have to find out the value of number 3, root over 3 cot 20 degree, cot 40, cot 80. So in this case, you have to convert this cot into cos and cos by sine. That is, cot 20 is cos 20 by sine 20, cot 40 is cos 40 by sine 40, cot 80 is cos 80 degree by sine 80 degree. In both the numerator and the denominator, you can use the formula. In the numerator, you can use 2 cos A cos B, and in the denominator, you can use 2 sin A sin B, and we have done this type of problem. Okay, we have done in terms of tan, so now it is given in terms of cot, so you can do it at home. So try it at home. Okay, so let's do this question number 4. You have to find out the value of 1 upon 2 sin 10 degree minus 2 sin 70 degree. Okay, you have to find out the value of this expression. This question is also very, very important, right? You can mark it. So let's do this question now. You have to find out its value. These are not the standard angles, right? So let us find out the LCM. What's the LCM? 2 sin 10 degree is the LCM. Numerator becomes 2 sin 10 degrees divided by 2 sin 10 degree, that is 1. 1 1s are 1 minus, this is 2 into 2 sin 70 degree into sin 10 degree. Actually 2 2s are 4. Again 4 is, again 4 you can write it as 2 into 2. So it is, you can write here, instead of 4 you have to write 2 into 2, so that we can use the formula of 2 sin A sin B. 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 What's the formula now? 2 sin A sin B? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So this is the formula, right? So now let us use the formula in this case. 2 sin A, 70 is A and 10 is B. 1 minus 2 within second bracket, 2 sin A sin B. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Minus cos of A plus B. This whole divided by 2 sin 10 degree, which is equal to 1 minus 2 within bracket. This is your cos 70 minus 10 is 60 minus cos 70 plus 10 is 80 degree. This whole divided by, this is your 2 sin 10 degree. Right? So again, let us simplify the numerator, which is equal to 1 minus, let us multiply by 2. 2 cos 60 degree, right? It is 2 cos 60 degree, minus into minus, plus 2 cos 80 degree, plus 2 cos 80 degree. This whole divided by 2 sin 10 degree. It is 2 sin 10 degree. So which is equal to 1 minus 2 into what is cos 60? Cos 60 is half plus 2 cos 80 degree divided by 2 sine 10 degree. Here 2 gets cancels. So it is 1 minus 1, isn't it? This is minus 1 plus 2 cos 80 degree divided by 2 sine 10 degree. So here this 1 gets cancels, which is equal to 2 cos 80 degree divided by 2 sine 10 degree. So here also this 2 gets cancels, which is equal to cos 80 degree divided by sine 10 degree. So now how can we simplify it? So how can we simplify this expression now? You know that 80 plus 10 is 90 degree. These are complementary angles. That means you can either convert 80 into 10 degree or 10 degree in terms of 80 degree. By writing, let us convert this 80 degree into 10 degree. So we can write it as cos 90 degree minus 10 degree. So 80 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 10 degree divided by, this is your sine 10 degree. So which is equal to, what is cos 90 minus theta? Sine theta, isn't it? It is sine 10 degree divided by, this remains as it is, sine 10 degree. Both of these will be cancelled. So 1 by 1 is 1. So this is the final answer. So value of this given expression is 1 in this case. So I think you have understood it. So this question is very, very important. You can copy it. So this much is for today. So today also we did some problems. So you revise all the problems that we did today and you do the homework also. So in the next online class, we'll do more problems on this chapter, transformation of products and sums. So this much is for today.